I'm right now at the Kennedy Space Center, and there's going to be a rocket launch. So I don't know how many conferences that you've been to where there's a rocket launch, but all I can tell you is that this is a one of a kind. The topic of my presentation today was about a concept called one up. And what I'm trying to do is help salespeople and sales leaders understand that your job is to create value for your clients. And to do that, what you have to do is you have to be in the one-up position, which means I have greater knowledge and I have greater experience than the person that I'm helping. And if I could transfer my experience and my knowledge and my insight to that individual, they could make the best decision for their business and get the very best outcomes. The more certainty you can create that the person needs to change, the more certainty you have to create that they're going to be successful. And that is a one-up position. If you decide that you can do that by telling them your company's a good company, you're a commodity. And that's the thing, you have to have a better approach than your competitors. It is really your approach versus your competitor's approach. I would argue that you should be one up, your team should be one up, and what I expect from my team is that they have to be the very best people in our industry. Like, they have to be the best salespeople in the industry. And that means a lot of development, it means a lot of training, it means a lot of coaching, it means spending a lot of time with them, but once you get them to that position where they know everything that they need to know to create value for the client, your win rates go up. What I learned at this conference was that you can make this experience of an event like this so compelling and so interesting and so different that people will want to come to it just to be able to say that they were here. And I got that from Gerhard. So every time I ever do anything with Gerhard, I'm learning from a master who has a great ability to put the right people in the right room with the right subjects and the right outcomes for the people that are here. And doing it in a place like this just changes the whole event. It's totally different now.